Hello friends, this is Shamina Sheikh and I welcome you in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Class 2nd, Subject English. Dear students, in the previous video, we have learned about the grammar topic, that is conjunctions. Now, in the today's video, we are going to learn another topic of the grammar. But before that, I would like to share one story with you. So, are you ready to listen the story? Let's get started. So, it was Sunday. Raju decided to go to the zoo. When he reached to the zoo, he saw there a monkey was hanging on the tree, an elephant was grazing in the zoo, an alligator was lazing near a pond, and the tiger seems to be angry. He roared loudly. Likewise, many more animals Raju saw in the zoo. When Raju saw many more animals, he enjoyed in the zoo. After that, he had an ice cream and Raju went back to home. Now students, will you tell me which animals did Raju see in the zoo? Correct. A monkey, an elephant, and the tiger. Students, do you know what do we call the words like a and the? So, the words like a and the is known as articles. So students, today we are going to learn about articles. Let us learn the more information about the articles. So the article is a word used to modify a noun. We use articles in writing and speaking to point out or refer to a noun, a group of nouns. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. The article is known as definite article, whereas a and these two articles is known as indefinite articles. Now students, let us learn the uses of articles. So the first article is a. We use a article before singular nouns that begins with a consonant sound. Consonant sounds are sounds made by all letters except A, E, I, O, U. For an example, a pencil, a book, a sparrow. In the given example, book, pencil, sparrow, these nouns started with the consonant sound. Therefore, we have used here a article. Now let us see the another article and its uses. Next article is an. We use an article before singular nouns that begins with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are sounds made by the letters A, E, I, O, U. For an example, an elephant, an umbrella, an insect. Dear students, in the given example, elephant, umbrella, insects, these are the nouns which started with the vowel sounds. So that's why we have used here an article. Now let us see the next article and its uses. And the next article is the. We use the article to refer to specific or particular nouns and nouns that have spoken about earlier. It is also used while talking about the sun, the moon, the earth, and so on. Let's see the example. The sun, the moon. Here, in the given example, sun, moon, these nouns are known as a particular nouns or specific nouns. Therefore, we have used here the article. So students, in the today's video, we have learnt about different articles and its uses. So students, I hope you understood today's grammar topic, that is article. In the next video, we will learn next topic of the grammar. So till that, take care all of you, keep reading, be happy. Thank you.